Hi LEGO STEM engineers, I'm Miss Wimberly and I'm going to show you around our screen here so you kind of know how to get started. And so if you found this video, you've already been to this Start Here folder. And of course you probably read about me and you're at this course tour. The course tour, I'm going to show you the different parts of the screen, and then I'm going to post another video on how to get started in just a minute. But most of you know to get back and forth from your courses, you just click up here at the top, and then when you find your course, you go to each folder. And let's say you're in the folder right now that you clicked on here. Once you're in that folder, if you want to go back, instead of going up to your back arrow key like you usually do up on the screen, you can come up here and see how that makes a link, and it'll take you a little bit quicker back to all the folders. So getting back and forth is sometimes easier than using your back arrow that you might be used to when you're in Schoology. So here are different folders. This is your welcome to our class here. This is a required folder that you need to do, discussion board etiquette, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. But when you click on a folder, it shows you everything you need to do. And again, you can just go back up to this link to get you back to all of the folders. This folder might be really an area you want to know about. It's the help folder. The help folder shows you how to do two of the things that you might be doing, that you will be doing in this class, and then the most important one is the help folder. If you need a question answered, you know, I always can get back with you within 24 hours, but often if you comment right here, I have a question, and you could be specific about it. And then you just hit post. I'll get that quicker, and it might be something that I can answer if I'm not by my computer. I can answer by typing it. I might have to come home and show you something different. So at least if you're posting on this help board, this is the place to go. And if you're a student and you can answer someone else's questions, you're welcome to do that. So again, to get back to all of the folders, you can click here, or you can click back on that folder and it'll take you to where you just were at. So hopefully that's a helpful tip for you. I think most of you are probably mostly interested after you complete this discussion board. I'm actually probably going to move these here. This discussion board folder, after you do that, you're going to want to go into your week 1 folder and complete the task this week. Now, you might have already noticed that each folder has, well, you can only see week 1. I won't open week 2 and week 3 until later, but each week will tell you when you need to complete the activities by. So you might be reading this today on Tuesday or another day, and you have a week to complete the activities, June 10th, June 17th, and then the week 3, June 24th, and then week 4 is going to be really short because we have to have everything finished maybe by the 26th of June, if not the 27th of June. So I'll get back with you as soon as I know that date. So if you complete one and finish, I'll open up week 2 next Monday. So those of you that are done and waiting, you can move on. Or if you go out to, out of town or something, you can work at your own pace. Okay, so that's how the folders work. Over here on the left, the most important area you're probably going to want to go to for you is the grade book. And right now, Will's my only person that's actually in this course as of this moment. But your name will come up, and you'll be able to click on your name and the different things that you're required to do, and your grades will be here. So if you're wondering if you had turned something in, or if I email you and ask you to complete something, I want you to click on that gradebook area. And just to get back to the main page, you just hit materials. Okay, so that's how the page layout will be, and you won't see things until next Monday. You'll only see week 1 on here. So that gives you a little course overview. The next video I'm going to show you is actually what to do to get started today.